Welcome to in front of me Poco M4 Pro, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go into the notification panel here, and as can you see, we got here these all our available icons on our top bar, and just to add or remove or just to change the positions or position of some icons, we should click here on the edit icon, and just to add this just for we stay here only with 4 icons. As can you see, just to add them you should click here to this plus icon, and as can you see, one just click here to done to save the changes, and as can you see, we just added successfully here more these 3 icons. And just to remove some icons from here, by the same way you should click just on the minuses here to click done, and you can see that we just remove these icons. And just to change this position you should hold for a while the icon and drag it, for example, to the first section, or just by this way. The next one will be the airplane mode, and by the same way, as can you see, that's really simple. We can just to customize our notification panel here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.